Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Patna University's examination form account. Let's get started. So if you want to log into your Patna University's examination form account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. And after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Patna University's login examination form. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says UG/PG examination form login. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on login, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on login, now what you have to do is just simply enter your application ID. After entering your application ID, you have to enter your password. After entering your password, just tap on proceed, and after tapping on proceed, now you have to verify your account. After verifying your account, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Patna University's examination form account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.